The International Space Station, ISS, is our biggest outpost in space. It has a length comparable to a soccer field, a mass of 420 tons, and a habitable volume of 388 cubic meters, equal to that of a Boeing 747. With costs totaling around $150 billion, the ISS is one of the most expensive projects of all time. Several nations are working on the ISS together, from Russia, the US, Canada, and Japan, to several European nations. Russia launched with Zarya, Dawn, the first module on the ISS, in November 1998 with a Proton K rocket from the Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The first American module was Unity, delivered by the Space Shuttle Endeavour, STS-88, 1 month later. The space station has been continuously occupied since November 2000, and the Cupola is the most favoured place for astronauts on board the station, and it has several modules attached to it, such as the American Destiny module, the Japanese Kibo module, and the European Columbus module. The last upgrade was the Russian Nauka module, also a multi-purpose laboratory module, in July 2021. The ISS has a high energy demand, and therefore the solar arrays have a wingspan of 109 meters. The energy-hungry Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, AMS-02, is a particle experiment mounted to the ISS, which is measuring the antimatter in cosmic rays and searches for evidence of dark matter. Similar to the Space Shuttle, the ISS orbits the Earth every 90 minutes. Therefore, you can see 16 sunrises and sunsets every day. Several space tourists have been on board, and there are even plans for Tom Cruise to make a movie on it. With the Lab-on-a-Chip applications development, LOCAD, NASA was testing a Star Trek-like tricorder on board the ISS. Space debris is a major threat for the crew on the ISS. Several times, evasive maneuvers had to be flown. Since the Space Shuttle was decommissioned in 2011, ISS crews have had to rely on the Russian Soyuz capsule, and it's only since March 2020 that SpaceX's Dragon capsule has also been available for this purpose. Currently, it is not clear how much longer the ISS will be used. It could be abandoned in 2024, but at least Russia has an interest to operate it until 2030.